Today's semiconductor equipment need to reach a new level of performance. Maximizing production efficiency and minimizing defects are essential to stay competitive. To meet these demands, something must be done different. Cutting-edge semi-tools need innovative, reliable and cost-effective components and solutions. We know yield is king. Finding cost-effective solutions which balance between quality needs and economical aspects is our common target. A wafer is precise, fragile, and at the end a very expensive product. Influences as vibrations, temperature, atmosphere, and airborne particles are critical in the production. And sustainability is also a topic. Festo's advanced technology offer innovative products and solutions. The smart-based valves and flow controllers are setting new standards in speed, accuracy, energy consumption, and particle generation. Our technology for precise control of inert gases as nitrogen or liquids bring you an additional advantage for saving our resources and costs. A clean and stable environment is fundamental in the production of a cutting-edge semiconductor product. Beside classic purge applications to reduce the number of airborne particles, we do see the importance of nitrogen purge to avoid oxidation, for instance at ALE or ALD applications. Here you can benefit from Festo's mass flow controllers, which set the requested flow fast and reliable. We have already hundreds of thousand systems in semicon fabs. The very cost-effective mass flow controller helps saving nitrogen, which not need to get generated. This can save many metric tons of carbon emission year on year. In pin lift applications, you can decide if you want to move a wafer electrically or with a pneumatic solution. Your decision is based on process parameters, but also on influences as costs, available footprint, heat dissipation, or for example, magnetic fields nearby. In those cases, a pneumatic solution could be your first choice. The smart Festo valves enable you to build pneumatic systems which act and move like an electrical system with programmable motion profiles and intermediate positions, including all benefits as low heat dissipation, small footprint and force control. That helps at pin lift applications to avoid wafer microcracks due to high force. Studies are showing that particles caused by gate or slit valves are one of the root causes for defects on the wafer. We at Festo have developed a system which helps to move your single or L-motion gate valve fast to keep cycle time low, but very gentle to reduce the contamination due to particles significantly. Everything at once? Almost not possible. Get in touch with us and we will prove our statements with our products and solutions.